Abhorrent. ABHORRENT.
Abhorrent, right?
Qable nafrat.
Okay.
Detestable. Loathsome. Repugnant.
Detestable, loathsome, repugnant. Dear friends, today it's Monday, the 22nd of September, 2025. We are going to practice 75 valuable vocabulary words. They are adjective actually, how they can be used in sentences. So let's get started.
Absolute, 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 mukammal. Synonyms are total, complete, unconditional. Sentence is she has absolute trust in her mentor.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to Genius Institute Lahore's Spoken English IELTS and PTE platform, where we also send students abroad for further higher education. Dear friends, today it's Monday, the 22nd of September, 2025. We are going to practice 75 valuable vocabulary words. They are adjective actually, grammatically speaking. We've been trying on different kinds of lexical resource, sometimes verbs, sometimes nouns, and this time around, adjectives. 75 adjectives of C1 level. Those are not only adjectives, but also we know about their meanings, about their pronunciation, how to speak those words, and their synonyms. Along with synonyms, we have to go through their composition, how they can be used in sentences. For example, if you know about a word and you don't know how to use it in a sentence, you don't know how to structure that sentence in your composition. For example, writing an essay or speaking, it will be useless activity. We are not increasing your passive vocabulary. We are enhancing or upgrading your active vocabulary by telling you using those words effectively in sentences. So let's get started. Okay, dear friends, let's get started. And now today's 75 adjectives are going to play a significant role in improving your vocabulary. And when it comes to vocabulary, you have to use, you should be able to use every word, every single word in appropriate sentence. Yes, please, the first word.
Abhorrent. ABHORRENT.
Abhorrent, right?
Qable nafrat.
Okay.
Detestable. Loathsome. Repugnant.
Detestable, loathsome, repugnant, right?
His
These are the synonyms, okay?
His abhorrent behavior shocked everyone at the office.
His abhorrent behavior shocked everyone in the meeting or in the office. उसके काबिल नफरत रवैये ने मीटिंग में सबको चौंका दिया. Right, next.
Abrupt,
ABRUPT, abrupt,
अचानक, hasty,
अचानक, बेरब्त.
hasty,
Synonyms are sudden, hasty, unexpected. The sentence, please.
the meeting ended with abrupt announcement.
The meeting ended with an abrupt announcement. Meeting अचानक ऐलान के साथ खत्म हो गई. Okay, number 3.
Absolute, 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 mukammal. Synonyms are total, complete, unconditional. Sentence is she has absolute trust in her mentor.
उसे अपने उस्ताद पर मुकम्मल भरोसा है. Fantastic, thank you.
Abundant, ABUNDANT, वाफिर, कसरत से.
Okay.
The synonyms are plentiful, ample, copious.
Abundant, 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 वाफिर, कसरत, कसरत से. Plentiful, ample, copious. Sentence, please.
The region is abundant in the natural resources.
The region is abundant in natural resources. Yes.
Acclaimed, ACCLAIMED.
Acclaimed, ACCLAIMED, acclaimed.
मशहूर, काबिल तारीफ.
मशहूर और काबिल तारीफ.
Renowned, celebrated and trust.
Celebrated, renowned and praised.
The sentence are he is an accomplished writer in the modern.
He is an acclaimed writer in modern literature. जदीद अदब में वो एक मशहूर मुसन्निफ है. Next.
Accurate.
Yes, please.
Accurate, A-double-C-U-R-A-T-E.
A-double-C-U-R-A-T. Accurate. दुरुस्त. सही.
Synonyms are precise, correct, and
Precise. P-R-E-C-I-S. Precise. Correct. Exact.
sentence are the reports provide accurate information about the incident.
The report provides accurate information about the incident. Report वाक़े के बारे में दुरुस्त मालूमात फराहम करती है. जी.
acute, A-C-U-T-E, शदीद,
Acute. शाबाश.
शदीद, तेज, severe,
Now
intense,
severe.
severe,
Sphere. S-E-V-E-R. Sphere.
intense, sharp.
Shabash. Intense and sharp.
The country is facing an acute shortage of water.
The country is facing an acute shortage of water. मुल्क को पानी की शदीद कमी का सामना है. Next please.
Adamant, A-D-A-M-A-N-T.
Adamant.
Adamant. The synonyms are stubborn.
जिद्दी और अटल. Adamant.
The synonyms are stubborn
Stubborn. Unyielding.
and resolute.
And resolute. Right.
The sentence are she remained adamant about her decision.
She remained adamant about her decision. वो अपने फैसले के बारे में वो अपने फैसले पर अटल रही.
Adept, A-D-E-P-T, adept.
Okay.
Mahir, Chabukdast. Synonyms
Okay.
are
Mahir, Chabakdast, adept,
synonyms are skilled, proficient, expert.
skilled, proficient, expert.
Sentence is he is adept at solving complex problem.
He is adept at solving complex problems. वो पेचीदा मसाइल हल करने में माहिर है. Next.
Admirable, A-D-M-I-R-A-B-L-E.
काबिल तारीफ.
काबिल तारीफ. Commendable, praiseworthy, respectable.
शाबाश. Commendable, praiseworthy, respectable.
Her admirable efforts saved the company from loss.
Her admirable efforts saved the company from loss. उसकी काबिल तारीफ कोशिशों ने कंपनी को नुकसान से बचा लिया.
Affluent, A-F-F-L-U-E-N-T, खुशहाल, मालदार. Synonyms: wealthy, prosperous, rich.
No, prosperous.
Prosperous, rich. Sentence: they live in an affluent neighborhood.
They live in an affluent neighborhood. वो एक खुशहाल इलाके में रहते हैं.
Aggressive,
जी. Aggressive.
A-G-G-R-E-S-S-I-V-E.
शाबाश. जारहाना या सख्त.
Synonym is
Synonyms are hostile,
hostile, forceful, pushy.
pushy. Shabash.
His agreed to me made
His aggressive tone.
aggressive tone to me made
No, his aggressive tone made everyone
confident.
comfortable. उसके जारहाना लहजे ने सबको नागवार एहसास दिया.
Agitated,
Agitated.
परेशान,
A-G-I-T-A-T-E-D स्पेलिंग भी बताने हैं.
A-G-I-T-A-T-E-D.
बेचैन, परेशान.
Synonyms are upset, restless, and disrupted.
Disturbed.
She looks agitated after hearing the news of her son death.
She looked agitated after receiving the bad news. बुरी खबर मिलने के बाद बेचैन लग रही थी. Next.
Alert,
A-L-E-R-T.
Chokanna, khabardar.
Okay.
Synonyms: watchful, vigilant, attentive.
Watchful, vigilant, attentive.
And sentence: the
guard
guard
was
alert, thought out at night.
The guard was alert throughout the night. Guard सारी रात चौकन्ना रहा.
Ambiguous, A-M-B-I-G-U-O-U-S.
मुबहम, गैर वाज़े.
Vague,
Vague, unclear,
undefined,
indefinite.
The teacher gave me ambiguous answer to the question.
The teacher gave an ambiguous answer to the question. उस्ताद ने मुबहम जवाब दिया सवाल का.
amiable,
amiable,
amiable, AMIABLE. The Urdu meaning is खुश इखलाक दोस्ताना. Synonyms are friendly, pleasant, cordial. The sentence is he is an amiable person who gets
he is an amiable person
he is an
who gets
amiable
along with everyone. वो एक खुश अखलाक शख्स है, सबके साथ मेल जोल रखता है जी.
ample, AMPLE.
AMPLE. Yes, please. Ample.
Ample, wafir. Synonyms are sufficient,
Sufficient.
abundant,
Abundant.
plentiful.
Plentiful. Shabash.
Sentence. This case is
There's an ample evidence
ample
to
evidence to
support
support
the
the
claim.
claim.
इस दावे को तायद करने के लिए वाफिर सबूत मौजूद हैं. Next.
Amusing, AMUSING.
Amusing. मज़ाहिया या दिलचस्प.
The synonym is entertaining, funny, delighted, and the sentence
Funny
is
and delightful. Shabash.
and the sentence is the comedian told an amusing story.
The comedian told an amusing story. Comedian ने एक दिलचस्प कहानी सुनाई. शाबाश.
Anxious.
Anxious.
Anxious. ANXIOUS means
बेचैन, फिक्रमंद.
फिक्रमंद.
जी.
Synonyms: uneasy.
Synonym नहीं, synonyms.
Synonyms:
Worried, uneasy, concerned.
concerned.
Okay.
She was anxious about the final exam result.
She was anxious about the final exam result. वो इम्तहान के नतीजे के बारे में बेचैन थी.
Appalling, APPALLING.
Appalling or appalling. APPALLING.
Synonyms are dreadful, horrifying, and
खौफनाक, हौलनाक. Appalling, right. इसके
That is-
synonyms है dreadful, horrifying, shocking. Sentence, please.
The refugees lived in appalling condition.
शाबाश. The refugees lived in appalling conditions. पनाह गुज़ीन खौफनाक हालात में रह रहे थे.
appealing,
Appealing.
APPEALING.
शाबाश.
appealing, dilkash, purkashish. Synonyms are attractive, charming, pleasing.
Shabash.
Sentence: the advertisement was visually appealing.
The advertisement was visually appealing. इश्तहार बसरी तौर पर, मतलब देखने के तौर पर दिलकश था. Yes, please. The next word is arrogant. 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 मगरूर, मुतकब्बिर. इसके synonyms हैं haughty, proud और conceited. Sentence, please.
His arrogant behavior annoyed everyone.
His arrogant behavior annoyed everyone. उसका मगरूर रवैया सबको नागवार गुजरा. शाबाश. The next word is articulate. 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 साफ गो बा मकसद. Synonyms are eloquent, expressive, fluent. The sentence, please.
She is an articulate speaker with strong arguments.
She is an articulate speaker with strong arguments. वो एक साफ गो मुकर्रर है जिसके दलाइल मजबूत हैं. शाबाश. Authentic. 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 असली, मोतबर. Synonyms are genuine, real, trustworthy. Sentence, please.
The museum displayed authentic ancient artifacts.
The museum displayed authentic ancient artifacts. Museum में असली कदीम नवादरात नुमाइश के लिए रखे गए. Awkward. 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 बेढंगा, अजीब. Synonyms are clumsy, uncomfortable, odd. Sentence, please.
There was an awkward silence after his remarks.
There was an awkward silence after his remark. उसकी बात के बाद अजीब खामोशी छा गई. Balanced. ये B कैटेगरी का पहला वर्ड है जी. Balanced, मतवाजन. BALANCED. Synonyms are stable, steady, fair. Sentence, please.
She gave a balanced opinion during the debate.
She gave a balanced opinion during the debate. उसे बहस के दौरान मतवाजन राय दी. जी. Belligerent. 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 लड़ाका, झगड़ालू. Synonyms are aggressive, hostile, combative. Sentence, please.
His belligerent tone created tension in the room.
His belligerent tone created tension in the room. उसका लड़ाका लहजा कमरे में कशीदगी पैदा कर गया. Beneficial. Beneficial. फायदेमंद. Helpful. Advantageous. Useful.
Sentence regular exercise is beneficial for health.
शाबाश. Regular exercise is beneficial for health. बाकायदा वर्जिश सेहत के लिए फायदेमंद है. Benevolent. 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 नेक दिल. खैर खा. Kind. Charitable. Generous.
The benevolent king helped the poor.
The benevolent king helped the poor. नेक दिल बादशाह ने गरीबों की मदद की. Bewildered. 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 हैरान. उलझा हुआ. Confused. Puzzled. Perplexed.
She looked bewildered after hearing the strange
She
news.
looked bewildered after hearing the strange news. अजीब खबर सुनकर वो हैरान नजर आई. Biased. 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 जानबदार. Prejudiced. Unfair. Partial.
The decision was clearly biased against the workers.
The decision was clearly biased against the workers. फैसला वाज़ेह तौर पर मजदूरों के खिलाफ था. Bizarre. Bizarre. B-I-Z-A-R-R-E. Bizarre. अजीब व गरीब. Synonyms are strange, odd, unusual.
The magician performed a bizarre tricks.
The magician performed a bizarre trick. जादूगर ने अजीब व गरीब करतब दिखाया. जी. Blissful. B-L-I-S-S-F-U-L. Blissful. पुरसुकून. खुश. Joyful. Happy. Serene.
They enjoyed in the.
ये serene की बड़ी बहन का नाम नसरीन नहीं है. All right. The next. जी. Sentence, please.
They enjoyed a blissful holiday in the mountains.
They enjoyed a blissful holiday in the mountains. उन्होंने पहाड़ों में खुशगवार छुट्टियां छुट्टी हॉलिडे है तो छुट्टी हो गुजारी. जी. Boastful. B-O-A-S-T-F-U-L. Boastful. शेखी बिगाड़ने वाला, फख्र करने वाला. Arrogant. Bragging. Conceited. Sentence, please.
He sounded boastful, then he talked about his wealth.
हाँ, he sounded boastful. वो काफी शेखी बिगाड़ता नजर आया. When he talked about his wealth, जब उसने अपनी दौलत की बात की. Bold. B-O-L-D. Bold. बहादुर. निडर. Synonyms are brave, daring, fearless.
It was a bold decision to start a business in crisis.
It was a bold decision to start a business in crisis. शाबाश. बुहरान में कारोबार शुरू करना एक निडर फैसला था. Booming. फलता फूलता तरक्की याफ्ता. B-O-O-M-I-N-G. Booming. Synonyms are flourishing, thriving, prosperous.
The booming tech industry attracts many investors.
The booming tech industry, शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा सेंटेंस बनाया. Attracts many investors. तरक्की याफ्ता टेक्नोलॉजी इंडस्ट्री के सरमायाकारों को अपनी तरफ खींचती है. Boring. B-O-R-I-N-G. Boring. बोर, उकता देने वाला. Dull. Tiresome. Monotonous. Sentence, please.
The lecture was so boring that many students slept.
Very good. The lecture, हमारा lecture नहीं definitely होगा वो. So boring that made everybody sleep in the class, or that many students slept. Lecture इतना boring था कि कई तलबा सो ही गए. Boundless, लामहदूद, बेहद. B-O-U-N-D-L-E-S-S. Boundless. Infinite. Limitless. Endless. Sentence, please.
The scientist had boundless curiosity.
The scientists had boundless curiosity. साइंसदान को लामहदूद तजस्सुस था. Breathtaking. B-R-E-A-T. Breathtaking. T-A-K-I-N-G. इकट्ठा लिखेंगे. दिलकश, हैरान कुन. Synonyms: stunning, spectacular, impressive.
The view from the mountain was breathtaking.
The view from the mountain was breathtaking. पहाड़ से नजर आने वाला मंजर दिलकश था. Brief, B-R-I-E-F, मुख्तसर. Synonyms are short, concise, or compact. Sentence, please.
He gave a brief summary of the project.
उसने मंसूबे का मुख्तसर खुलासा दिया. Bright, रोशन, B-R-I-G-H-T, ज़हीन भी होता है. Synonyms, intelligent, clever, radiant.
She is a bright student with great potential.
She is a bright student with great potential. वो एक ज़हीन तालिबा है, उसमें बड़ी सलाहियत है. फौरन जैसे मेरे सिनम्स खत्म हुए आप सेंटेंस बता देंगे. Brilliant, शानदार, जबरदस्त, B-R-I-L-L-I-A-N-T. Outstanding, excellent, exceptional.
He came up with a brilliant idea.
उसने एक शानदार ख्याल पेश किया. Brutal, B-R-U-T-A-L, जालिमाना, सफ़ाक. Cruel, savage, ruthless.
The army used brutal force against the rebel.
The army used brutal force against the rebels. फौज ने बागियों के खिलाफ सफ़ाक ताकत इस्तेमाल की. Busy, मसरूफ, B-U-S-Y, occupied, engaged, active.
She was too busy to attend the party.
She was too busy to attend the party. वो पार्टी में शिरकत करने के लिए बहुत मसरूफ थी. Burdensome, बोझल, burdensome, बोझल, B-U-R-D-E-N-S-O-M-E. अक्सर लोग उसको बर्डनाइज बोलते हैं. वो लोग बर्डनाइज कोई वर्ड नहीं है, बर्डन ही होता है. गलत है बर्डनाइज. बर्डन एज ए वर्ब इस्तेमाल होता है. बर्डन, बर्डन्ड, बर्डन्ड. राइट. बर्डनसम एडजेक्टिव है. हैवी, ट्रबलसम, ऑप्रेसिव.
The new taxes proved burdensome.
The new taxes proved burdensome
for
small businesses. नए टैक्स छोटे कारोबारों के लिए बोझल साबित हुए. Bustling, B-U-S-T-L-I-N-G, हलचल भरा, पुरौनक, lively, crowded, energetic.
The market was bustling with people.
बाजार लोगों से पुरौनक था. Bewitching, B-E-W-I-T-C-H-I-N-G, दिलफरेब, जादुई. Enriching, enchanting, captivating, charming.
She wore a bewitching smile.
She wore a bewitching smile. उसने दिल फरेब मुस्कुराहट सजाई. Beneficent, नेक, फयाज. Synonyms, charitable, generous, kind.
The beneficent act of donation helped many families.
The beneficent act of donation helped many families. अतिया देने के नेक अमल ने कई खानदानों की मदद की. Broken, टूटा हुआ. Shattered, damaged, fractured.
The broken chair was thrown away.
The broken chair was thrown away. टूटी कुर्सी फेंक दी गई. Barbaric, वहशियाना, गैर मुहज़्ज़ब. B-A-R-B-A-R-I-C. Synonyms, savage, uncivilized, cruel.
The prisoners were treated in a barbaric manner.
The prisoners were treated in a barbaric manner. कैदियों के साथ वहशियाना सलूक किया गया. ग्रुप सी शुरू हो गया जी. उसके 25 एडजेक्टिव्स हैं. नंबर 1, calm, C-A-L-M, L silent है, पुरसुकून. Peaceful, tranquil, composed.
She remained calm during the crisis.
She remained calm during the crisis. वो बहरान के दौरान पुरसुकून रही. Capable, काबिल लायक. Synonyms हैं competent, skilled, proficient.
He is capable of handling this difficult
He is
project.
capable of handling this difficult project. वो इस मुश्किल मंसूबे को संभालने के काबिल है. Careless, लापरवाह. C-A-R-E-L-E-S, careless. Negligent, reckless, inattentive.
His careless driving caused an accident.
His careless driving caused an accident. उसकी लापरवाह ड्राइविंग ने हादसा कर दिया. Cautious, मुहतात. C-A-U-T-I-O-U-S. Synonyms are careful, watchful, alert.
Investors are cautious about the new policy.
सरमायादार नई पॉलिसी के बारे में मुहतात हैं. Celebrated, C-E-L-E-B-R-A-T-E-D, celebrated, मशहूर, मारूफ. Synonyms are renowned, famous, acclaimed.
She is a celebrated artist of our time.
वो हमारे दौर की मशहूर फनकारा है. charming, dilkash, khush akhlaq, attractive, delightful, enchanting.
He has a charming personality.
उसकी शख्सियत दिलकश है, cheerful, CHEERFUL, खुश मिजाज, खुश, joyful, happy, lively.
She always greets people with cheerful smile.
She always greets people with cheerful smile. हमेशा खुश मिजाज मुस्कुराहट के साथ लोगों को सलाम करती है. Chilly, 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 सर्द, ठंडा, cold, frosty, icy.
The weather became chilly after sunset.
The weather became chilly after sunset. सूर्य ढलने के बाद मौसम ठंडा हो गया. Chronic, CHRONIC, दायमी, मुस्तकिल, persistent, long term, constant.
He is suffering from chronic back
He
pain.
is suffering from chronic back pain. वो कमर दर्द के दायमी मर्ज में मुब्तला है. और clever, 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 चालाक, ज़हीन, intelligent, smart, witty.
She gave a clever answer in the interview.
उसने इंटरव्यू में एक ज़हीन जवाब दिया. clumsy, CLUMSY, अनाड़ी, भद्दा, awkward, ungraceful, careless.
He looked clumsy while carrying the heavy box.
He looked clumsy while carrying the heavy box. भारी डब्बा उठाने में अनाड़ी लग रहा था. Coherent, COHERENT, मरबूत, वाज़े, logical, consistent, clear.
She gave a coherent explanation of the problem.
उसने मसले की वाज़े वजाहत की. Cold blooded, सफाक, बेरहम, ruthless, merciless, cruel.
She was a cold-blooded crime against innocent people.
It was a cold-blooded crime against innocent people. ये मासूम लोगों के खिलाफ एक सफाक जुर्म था. Colorful, रंगीन, शोख, vibrant, vivid, bright.
The market was full of colorful clothes.
बाजार रंगीन कपड़ों से भरा हुआ था. Combative, 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 झगड़ालू, लड़ाका, aggressive, hostile, quarrelsome.
His combative style of speaking offended many.
His combative style of speaking offended many. उसका लड़ाका होने का अंदाज लोगों को नागवार गुजरा. Comfortable, आरामदेह, cozy, pleasant, convenient.
The hotel room was very comfortable.
होटल का कमरा बहुत ही आरामदेह था. Commonplace, आम, मामूली, ordinary, usual, conventional.
Corruption has become a commonplace issue in politics.
Corruption has become a commonplace issue in politics. सियासत में corruption एक आम मसला बन गई है. Compassionate, हमदर्द, मेहरबान, kind, sympathetic, humane.
The compassionate nurse comforted the patient.
Comforted the patient. हमदर्द नर्स ने मरीज को तसल्ली दी. Competent, माहिर, काबिल, COMPETENT. Compassionate की स्पेलिंग भूल गई. COMPASSIONATE, compassionate. और competent, माहिर, काबिल, skilled, qualified, capable.
He is a competent lawyer with years of experience.
वो कई साल के तजर्बे के साथ एक माहिर वकील है. Conceited, मगरूर, खुद पसंद, arrogant, vain, proud.
Her conceited attitude made her unpopular.
उसका मगरूर रवैया उसे गैर मकबूल बना गया. Confident, पुरएतमाद, assured, certain, positive.
She is confident about her performance.
वो अपनी कारकर्दगी के बारे में बहुत पुरएतमाद है. Confusing, उलझा देने वाला, unclear, puzzling, complicated.
She is confusing of her responsibilities.
The instructions were confusing for the students. हिदायत तलबा के लिए उलझा देने वाली थी. और conscious, बाखबर, होशियार, aware, mindful, attentive.
She is conscious for her responsibilities.
वो अपनी जिम्मेदारियों से बाखबर है. और considerate, ख्याल रखने वाला, thoughtful, caring, attentive.
He is always considerate towards his colleagues.
He's always considerate towards the colleagues or towards his colleague. हमेशा अपने साथियों का ख्याल रखने वाला है. So thank you very much everybody for participating this extensive exercise of vocabulary. I believe that this would have added into your vocabulary list new words, their meanings, their sentences, and their synonyms as well. So big round of applause for everybody in the class, please, today.